Hello, I am Abhishek, and actually, this week is very interesting week, and I have focused on the blocks, state management, and it is very interesting. And as we all know, the block is a very important state management, and although all the companies are using the block as a state management, and the main thing that follows in the block state management is that there are three block is actually a communication between the state and the event, and this is the main thing of that block. And inside the block there are so many components, and the main part is just the event part, and the event part is that what are the things that we are click. For example, we are when we are clicking a submit button, submit the block, it's a event, and the block requires the event takes, and it will pass the what are the events that comes and output as the state, and the state gets the data from the server or anything else from the database, and it will give to the same block, and the block pass to the UI. This is how the block works. And in home screen we have to build wrap with the block provider, and hence I can show that. And things that requires in the distributed builder are, and we are building with the we are wrapping with the block builder, and there will be a context and state. And first we have to pass the task block and task state, because this is very important thing that we have to pass the task block. Without the task block it will not work. And inside this task block we are in from the task block, in the task block we are getting the task event, and task state we have to emit. Actually the inputting of fetching from the task event and emitting the task state is done in this. And if the data is fetching, it will be show the loading separate progress indicator, and else if that it will show the data that is in that main thing. And next is that the repository I have created a task repository, and inside the base URL we have to create a base URL from the that in which things we are fetching the data. And I have doing in that I have doing the jagger, and the feature list task, fetch task, async. I have created a pretty clear function for the fetching the task from the API, and I have given the response as the http.get uri.parse base URL page limit to be. And if the response status code is 200, it will emits the data. This dynamic items JSON dot we have to convert into JSON and decode response.body. If the response.body is working, means JSON always thing is that uri.parse and the JSON.decode response.body items will have the same thing. And return items.map task ID little title description is completed. And these are the things we have to remember when that is the main thing we have to focus. And the things we have to consider all the ways that while using add screen test, add a testing string submit task, and this is the main thing we have using final string title controller.text, and these are the things that we are using. That's all progress video, and hence it's a good week I have passed. I have taken an extension for this week. These are the things I have learned in that week.